YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don914 here to bring you another sneaker review. But we're not gonna waste no time in this video. We're gonna get right into the review because I do want to do it on feet for you. So let's go ahead and unbox the shoe. And of course you can tell by the title, this is a Jordan 1 Low Obsidian. So for me, you know, I didn't cop the highs. I wasn't able to cop the highs. Dang. Like I was saying, I wasn't able to cop the highs, or did I cop the highs? I can't even remember. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my archives and see if I ever had a pair. I know for sure that I didn't have my size in the highs. So let's go ahead and unbox these lows. So this is a good consolation prize if you didn't get the highs. That box up out of there. All right, cool. All right, cool, yeah. Nice little box, little navy box with the Carolina blue on there. Nike branding all over the box. Here's the sizing label. Of course, I went with a size 10. You already know with my Jordan 1s, I go with a size 10. So the label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Obsidian University Blue and Sail. Does have Carolina at the bottom as well, size 10. Cool, flip the lid. Nothing on the inside of the lid. Does come wrapped in one set of paper. Flip it over, and then there's the shoes. Let's go ahead and take the shoes out. See what else we get in the box other than this paper. No green stickers or anything like that. Box dimensions right there up top. Of course, you got your 1985 Jordan 1 right there on the bottom. Cool. So let's go ahead and get into the shoes. Cool, yeah. These are nice, man. Okay, yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the Jordan 1 Low Obsidian. Alright, cool, let's get right into it. So let's start with the outsole. You got that all blue, navy blue outsole. I guess the obsidian blue outsole. Midsole, got the Sail midsole. Obsidian toe cap. Obsidian Nike swoosh. Got that UNC blue on the back with that Wings logo. Got that Sail toe box, tongue. Got a combination on the top of the tongue of that University blue and Obsidian blue. And then Nike Air. Does come with shoe paper. For the inside of the shoe, you got that Obsidian blue insole with that Nike Air and that University blue sizing tag. Again, I go with a size 10 in my Jordan 1s. That's highs and lows. Comes with the Obsidian blue laces. Inside of the tongue, you just got that Nike branding and writing in the inside of the tongue. On the back of the tongue, says here, made in Vietnam. I did notice that, man. A lot of these shoes are now being made in Vietnam. And yeah, that's it for the left shoe and the right shoe. Nothing different, same as the left shoe. Only difference is it does come with an extra spare of laces. And looks like it's a Sail pair of laces that it comes with. And I'm probably gonna throw these in with the shoe. I mean, I'll give you both. I'll give you both the Obsidian laces, and I'm gonna throw in the Sail laces as well to see how they look. I think I'm gonna rock these with the Sail laces. I'm not sure yet. The blue might be the wave, but I did want to show you how good the leather is on this, man. If you look at the leather, like, I'm pretty sure the highs look like this as well, but the leather quality on here, I mean, even the side panel, the medial side, you look at that, the leather quality, it's pretty good on this pair. Let's see if the toe box is the same. Yeah, toe box is pretty good too. Yeah, so they did a good job as far as like the leather quality and the craftsmanship on this pair. I don't see any glue stains really or anything like that. Wings logo, it's kind of like embossed or debossed, whatever you want to call that, but it looks pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, so like I said, this is a nice consolation prize if you didn't cop the highs or wasn't able to cop the highs, because you know, after they went viral on TikTok, the prices on them just skyrocketed. So this is a nice consolation prize, and it's a clean shoe, man. It's perfect for the spring and summer. I was on the fence if I was going to cop these or not, and definitely I was going to bring a review, but as far as keeping them, I wasn't sure. But now that I see them in hand and see how clean they are with the quality of the leather, definitely going to keep them in the collection, and yeah, definitely going to rock these. So these were a nice pickup in my opinion, and I got these for the 120. They retail to 140. I used my $20 JD Sports rewards, and I got them for $20 off. So I paid 120 for my pair. So that's a come up right there. And I don't know if they're still available, but they were for a little while, but I think they probably sold out now. But in the comment section down below, let me know how you feel about the Jordan 1 Low Obsidian Blue. And if you did cop a pair, or if you waited, or if you use your JD rewards on this pair. So with all that being said, I don't want to keep you too long. Again, like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. If you want to see more fits and kicks, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I'll put my page here up to the left or the right, so you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram or any socials, TikTok, Twitter, handles the same, Downwind914. And let's go ahead and get into this on foot. Until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock money off.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.